If you have a haircut like this, I'd like to know how much you paid for it, or a haircut like this. Doesn't matter. In the comments below, I love the engagement. The last one I asked you guys to respond, it got almost like over 150 to 200 something comments. So let me know in the comments below, how much do you pay for your haircut? And also, if you want to add in, where do you live? Because it kind of may piece it together. Are you paying in rupees? Is it pounds, pesos, whatever it is, euro? Let me know in the comments below, and I love to see what you are paying for your haircut. So just in general, when it comes to paying for a haircut, I've noticed in my experience that the more you pay, right, usually the better the service, the more of an upscale type of environment you're going to. You know, instead of maybe paying $10, $15 for a 15-minute haircut, maybe you're paying 40 or 45 or 100 or 200, and you're getting maybe 45 minutes to an hour. You're getting a beautiful scalp massage when you get your hair washed. You know, you're getting a glass of wine. You're getting, I mean, there's all different levels of the experience, and usually the higher the price, the more of those little perks it comes with. Now, does that mean that the more you pay for something, the better the person is going to be? I would say there's like an 80% chance, yes, okay, 80% chance. There's still that 20% chance that you could literally pay someone, say $1,000, for example, for a haircut, and it could be the worst haircut you've ever had in your life. Then again, you may pay $10 or $15 for a haircut, and it's the best haircut you've ever had in your life. So really what it comes down to is the person cutting your hair, right? They may be undercharging. They may be overcharging, you know, but I really would love to know, how much are you paying for your haircut? Where are you from? Let's get all these comments coming in. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.